our nation, all the things we believe in, are in great danger. This danger has been created by the rulers of the Soviet Union. The future of civilization depends on what we do now, and in the months ahead. Here are the things we will do. First, we will continue to uphold, and if necessary, to defend with arms, the principles of the United Nations. Second, we will continue to work with the other free nations to strengthen our combined defenses. Third, we will build up our own Army, Navy, and Air Force, and make more weapons for ourselves and our allies. Fourth, we will expand our economy and keep it on an even keel. Though the present situation is dangerous, we do not believe that war is inevitable. There is no conflict between the legitimate interests of the free world and those of the Soviet Union that cannot be settled by peaceful means. We will continue to take every honorable step we can to avoid general war, but we will not engage in appeasement. The world learned from Munich that security cannot be bought by appeasement.
Having talked to the nation, President Truman signs the emergency proclamation, which means a tightening of the belt, higher taxes, and price and wage fixing. And America hoping for the best and preparing for the worst.